Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to create this amazing text effect in Canva. In a new Canva project, add your image to the timeline and scale it to fit the canvas. Now add your text. Change the font to Anton. Now scale up the text size. And move it to your desired position. Change the color to white. Now duplicate the text and position it to fit the first one. Go to Effects, select Halo and reduce the thickness to 1. Now click on the background image, duplicate it, edit the image and remove the background. Now show layers and bring the Halo text effect to the top. So here's the final results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.